So, I was gonna video that studio series, but it just sold. So I'll show you what's out here. A lot of fans went out, a lot of fans sold. That's still here, surprisingly. Little heritage thing. Unknown. Minka. Westinghouse. Westinghouse. Probably either CEC or Halsey. That's still here. That's still here. We got 6 of these GE vent things, whatever they are. Hugger, Bayport. No, is that a 5 or 4? That's 4. 6-blade thing, Studio Series, 5-blade. Cool Breeze. Codep or facsimile thereof. 5-blade stencil. Low profile. I thought this SMC was kind of cool. Amy, you said there were some more fans that came in. Are they near the loading dock or are they in our area?
No, they're in our bin by the loading dock.
Oh, okay. I'll go down there then. I like this and I might take it home if nobody buys it. Let's see. I'm saving that tat tongues for when they let me install fans in the store. There's a Lasco there with no mounting bracket. Ornate sideband, which you don't see as often on this version. I think all the interesting stuff from back here sold already. Had one of those pull-down fixtures with the pulley. That sold. Let's see here. Amy said we had some more coming down here. No, it's just more of those CECs and a hugger. There's. Okay, well, thanks for watching.